Cons, Maths 5 Plus, page 9. Dear students, today we will learn about shapes. We'll learn about cube. Cube is a three-dimensional shape. It shows height, length, and width of an object. It has a face, edge, and vertex. Cube shape can be seen in objects like puzzle cube, dice, carton, and an ice cube. Think of other cube-shaped objects and share the information with your friends. Let's have some activity time. Trace the following cubes and color them in orange, purple, and green with crayons or color pencils. Color this cube in orange. Color this cube in purple. Color this cube in green. Respectable teachers and parents, explain what three-dimensional shapes are. Also tell that such shapes have three dimensions, that is, height, length, and width. Tell the children that a cube shape has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Show flashcards to the children displaying cube shape and ask them to name the objects shown on them. Also, make the children pronounce the cube shape well so that they can name it as soon as they see it on the flashcards. Engage the children in an activity that urges them to sort out cube-shaped objects out of the objects that you have given them to observe. Sing the shapes song to children, showing them relevant objects while saying aloud cube shape. Appreciate the children's participation in all activities and clap for them. Thank you.